Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing fine. And today we will be doing English Grammar's first chapter, alphabetical order, in the book. Okay, you have to do this chapter in the book. So, let's get started. Students, this is your grammar book, and your syllabus for first term is from chapter 1 to 8. Okay, and chapter 16 picture reading, or you can say picture composition. Okay, so what I want to tell you is that from today onwards I am going to daily teach you one chapter of grammar. Now you must be thinking that grammar chapter 1, 2, 3, some of them are already, some of the topics like gender, singular, plural, all these are already done. But I want you to start from the start, okay, from the beginning. Okay, so this way we will also have the revision for first term, and also the topics which are not yet done, we will complete those topics also. Okay, so today we will be doing first chapter, alphabetical order. Okay, you have to do this in your book, so don't worry that your copy is submitted and how you are going to do. You have to do it in book. Let's get started. So this is your first chapter of grammar, alphabetical order, and the page number is 7. Okay, the soft board in class 2 has names of children who have their birthday in March. Okay, soft board means you also have one board, no, green board kind of in the back of your class, kind of board. Okay, on that board there are name mentions of all those students, those who have their birthday in March. Okay, you have to arrange them according to their alphabets, their first letter of their names. Okay, so first letter in the alphabet is A. So here which name start with A? Ananya. Okay, so here we will write 1 in this circle. Okay, I hope you all can see. Now after A what comes? B. Is there any name that starts with B? No. Next we have C. We have one name here with C, Chitra. So here we will write 2. Okay, same way now we will see if D is there. Yes, D is there, Danish. So here we will write 3. Now after D what comes? A, B, C, D, E. Is there any name with E? No. F. Yes, here it will come 4. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Now you see I have done all of them for you. Okay, only one is left. So the last number I took is, come on, 11. After T what comes? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Yes, Y is here. So the last one is 12, and this exercise is done. Let's move on to next page. Look at the letters of the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The letters of the alphabet follow a fixed order. ये जो अल्फ़ाबेट होते हैं आप इनको एक फिक्स्ड ऑर्डर में पढ़ते हैं. ये नहीं कि आप पहले Z पढ़ने लगे या पहले K पढ़ लें. नो, द ऑर्डर इज फिक्स्ड. A, B, C, D like that. Okay, this is called the alphabetical order. For example, G comes before H. G comes before H. G H के पहले आता है तो हमेशा G H के पहले ही रहेगा. Q comes after P. Q comes आफ्टर P. P के बाद Q आता है तो हमेशा Q जो होगा वो P के बाद ही रहेगा. लाइक दैट. दिस ऑर्डर इज कॉल्ड ABC ऑर्डर और अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. ये ऑर्डर अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर कहलाता है या ABC ऑर्डर कहलाता है. लेट अस राइट दीज वर्ड्स इन अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. फर्स्ट here we have a kind of matching thing. Egg you will match with egg. Same way, cake you will match with cake. Okay, apple with apple, like that. Girl with girl, mask with mask. Okay, like that we all have done the matching. Now here is one small activity given. You have to write your name. आपको यहाँ पर अपना नेम लिखना है, फिर उसे यहाँ पर अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. See, my name is Adiba. So here I'm going to write my name. A D I B A. Okay. So I have here 2A in my names. So what will come first? A. Now after A, B. C, no. D, yes. Now only I is left. This is done. This way you have to do with your name. Okay? These children are going to play a game in alphabetical order of their names. ये बच्चे एक गेम खेलने वाले हैं alphabetical order, अपने नाम के अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर के अकॉर्डिंग. जैसे जिसका नाम A से स्टार्ट होता है वो पहले आएगा, फिर B, फिर C, लाइक दैट. नंबर देम फ्रॉम 1 to 8 एंड शो द ऑर्डर इन विच दे शुड प्ले. आपको उन्हें 1 से लेके 10 तक में ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. जिसका लेटर अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में पहले आता है उसके नाम के आगे 1 आएगा. सी द वे आई हैव डन. A comes first, so here 1 is written. B is not there, C is there, so 2 is there. Like that I have done. Okay, you can also do this by yourself. Okay, try to do it by yourself in your book. Here are some words given. Circle 8 words from the pattern given below. Write them in the alphabetical order. आपको words बनाने हैं. First is done for you. Acrobat, board, dolphin, scooter, newspaper, restaurant, parrot, markers, computer. Okay, now you have to write them in alphabetical order. See, this is done. I have done this for you. You can take help from here. Like A come first, B, then C, then D. Okay. Then we have after D, do we have E, F? No, we don't have all that. Then straight away we have M, N, P, R. We don't have O in between. M and O is not there. P, Q is not there. R is there. Like that we have done. Okay. We only have to write 8 letters. That's why scooter will be left. Only 8 we will write. Students, this is the last exercise on page number 10. You already have done this exercise, but still I'll help you. Here, librarian, bookshelf, map, playground and classroom. 5 of the words are given. You have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. So what will come first? B. B for bookshelf. So bookshelf will come first. You will write bookshelf here. Then C, classroom you will write here. D is not there. E, F, G, H, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Here, this is done. Okay, do this exercise by yourself. Okay, take help from your parents, or I think you already have done this. You can do it. Try doing it. Your first chapter of grammar book is done. This is your revision also, and this is your kind of homework also. If you haven't done chapter 1 in your book, do it. Okay. My dear students, do all this work in your grammar book and keep preparing for your exams, half yearly exams. Take care of yourself and God bless you all.